we have a big horticulture area that used to be run as a CSA, Community Supported Agriculture Project, by a couple of members here. And then they ran that really successfully for 5 years and you know, fenced it really well and, you know, made that a great space. But then they decided they didn't want to do that anymore. So when they've given that up, it's sort of rested for a year, and lots of people have had different ideas. But what has happened is that we've leased a portion of it to one of our neighbours who's an organic farmer. And some of us, like I buy veggies from him and her, the Timbara farm. And the other thing is that we've got our climate emergency group is working on a food security project. So we've got a couple of crops in there done by the climate emergency group just to give to the community. So, and you know, we're looking at how we can expand and grow that model, I guess. Most people have veggies closer to their houses for their own sort of personal use, but we do want to grow more communal crops. But I think it needs to be things that can be managed and done on work days and less daily input, you know, for watering and things like that, because sometimes you can feel like you're caught in a whole lot of jobs up here, and probably like you would if you had a farm. Yeah, so yeah, that's what's going on.
Okay.
Yep.
You'll see them as well. It's right next to Wombat Hollow's our cluster, so I can show you. Yeah.